What stands out with West-MEC students is their confidence. Repairing vehicles is not an easy skill. This industry, the cars change almost every day. So you have to have an attitude of continuous learning. And you have to have a want to too. You are repairing a vehicle to pre-existing collision conditions, and you want that vehicle. We say, you know, would you put your mom in that car? And West-MEC students come already engaged in collision and have the basic trade skills to come into the collision repair industry. The benefits of using a West-MEC student, you're not bringing somebody, as we say, green off the street. You're bringing somebody that's familiar with a facility and how a facility runs, and the basic knowledge of how to repair a vehicle, which is fundamental to their success. West-MEC offers a great foundation for our TAP program, which is our Technician Apprentice Program. This is where we pair up a new person in the industry with a mentor in the collision business. That mentor trains that person, and within a year to a year and a half, they are brought into a full line body technician. So that's an outstanding program we have. We have over 2,000 TAP graduates in the last 3 years since we've implemented this program. I feel confident in hiring West-MEC students just because of their basic foundation, and they come to us with the attitude that they will, they're open to continuous learning, because that is a must in this field.